So friend, today I will teach you how to find out the largest fraction and the smallest fraction. Largest fraction and smallest fraction. In this video, I will teach you three different types of methods to find out the largest fraction and the smallest fraction in three different types of sum. So let's start with type 1. Type 1. Type 1. In type 1, we'll deal all about proper fraction. Proper fraction. So you have to know what is proper fraction. Proper fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator, such that 15 upon 16. 15, here numerator 15 is less than denominator 16. So you can say that it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. And another thing is to remember that the difference between numerator and denominator should be 1. Here you can see that difference between 16 and 15 is 1. So two main criteria in this type, you have to remember all these fractions should be proper fraction criteria. All these fraction should be proper fraction and second thing is difference between numerator and denominator should be 1. In each given fraction. So now come to the main point. So let 4 different proper fraction be such that 15 upon 16, 19 upon 20, 24 upon 25, and the last is 34 upon 35. You can see all these are proper fraction, and also the difference between the numerator and denominator is 1. You can see difference 1. 20 minus 19 1, 25 minus 24 1, 35 minus 34 1. Difference is 1, and all these are proper fraction. So here the main two criteria is maintained. Now you have to find out the highest numerator and the lowest numerator in this given fraction. Highest numerator, here you can see 34 is highest, and 15 is lowest. So you can easily say that highest numerator 34 upon 35 is largest fraction, and 15 upon 16 is lowest fraction. So you can see that how easily you can determine the largest and smallest fraction in this type. But you have to remember two criteria should be maintained. One, that all the fractions should be proper fraction, and the Second is the difference between the numerator and denominator should be 1.